Extravagant travel doesn't have to strain your finances. In this video, we'll explore the art of discovering the finest bargains for luxurious travel. One of the simplest methods to secure extravagant travel bargains is by journeying during off-peak seasons. Prices for accommodations and flights typically plummet, granting you a more serene and exclusive encounter at sought-after destinations. Numerous luxurious hotel chains and airlines offer loyalty programs that can lead to substantial savings. Enroll in these programs and amass points to exchange for discounts or even complimentary stays in flights. Websites such as Luxury Escapes, Secret Escapes, and Jetsetter specialize in curating exquisite luxury travel bargains. Subscribe to their newsletters to receive updates about time-limited offers and flash sales. Preparing your luxurious vacation well ahead of time can result in notable cost savings. Many high-end resorts and hotels offer discounts for early bookings, so don't procrastinate until the 11th hour to make your reservations. Certain tour operators and travel agencies provide luxury travel packages that include accommodations, meals, and activities. These packages often offer superior value compared to booking each element separately. Embark on this journey with these tips and witness your dream vacation materializing, all while keeping your finances content.